Morning. So today what we're doing, we are doing South Coast tour, Solheimajokull waterfall, Skogafoss waterfall, and the Glacier hike, and then hopefully the Northern Lights tonight if the clouds hold off. There's a good KP index, but the clouds are saying pretty bad, so we'll have to see. So, but no, it should be a good day. I did the South Coast last year, but I did Cattler Ice Cave and I never did the Glacier hike, so I'm looking forward to it. It should be a good one.
Now all of this water is coming from E15, the glacier on top of the mountain.
You're just going to stay here.
Hey? I don't know, no, it's further over I think. Oh. Well, that's the first stop of the South Coast tour, Skogafoss. Don't know what they're shouting about. Unreal, isn't it? That's my favourite one, I prefer that to Solheimajokull. It's a lot wider and it just looks prettier. 200 foot tall. Unreal, man. I think it's a bit lighter than when I was here last time, because I was here earlier in the year. By the time we got here, it was still a bit darker than this. It's quite cool. Look at that, man. Don't want to be under that, would you? Imagine how cold that would be. It'd be like yesterday being in that. That is unreal. That's one of the best things out that I think so far, don't you?
Well, it's better now.
Proper cool. Oh. Proper good. That's definitely my favourite waterfall so far of this trip. Yeah. Almost I'm forgetting one. I love it, Kel. There we go. Black Sand Beach, home to the famous sneaker waves. Forever here, never ever get too close to the sea, because they have a rare phenomenon where one wave out of so many comes way further up the shore than the rest. Pretty cool. That's the Game of Thrones thing that you see. That's the formation what you see from Game of Thrones there in the background. Nice little cave.
Every once in a while.
It's windy today, let me tell you. So, got my harness on. Manage it.
So, 1 and 2, perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like Cinderella, first try.
Well, Norway is definitely Northern Lights in Norway way bigger. Also
Wow.
more grass, more big studio. So if you imagine the globe,
Only just graduated, so she finished with the.
Up north, I am. Unreal.
We'll be home in the 27th.
I have every morning.
So it's Solheimajokull, I think I pronounce it. Glacier outlet. Unbelievable.
Yeah. Yeah, last time we visited the glacier was around this time. Yeah, really? Yeah. And then Sydney and Melbourne are the main one. Yeah. So we kind of don't see a lot of it.
Like you see more like if you go flying south.
Look at that. Right? Oh my god, look at that. So, wow, look at that.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, yeah, it's a big glacier.
Oh my god. Brilliant. At the helmet. Yeah. Right, we're saying that if a block of ice wax you on it. Look at that. Very, very similar to Catler, but the inside the cave there was like a purer blue because it got water, you know, like near. Proper cool. The view is honestly just spectacular. Look at that. What do you say about that? What do you reckon, mate?
Unreal.
Has it moved up to number 1 yet?
Yeah.
Honestly, I am having to consider it. Right.
Only if it's a deep hole or stuff like this. And you can also feel the ice is quite slippery. The blue ice, it's really hard ice, super slippery. If we walk only on this kind of ice, you're gonna have a shitty time. And I'm gonna be really worried. So I'm happy that there is snow actually. But during summer it's quite easy to walk on the glacier. We have this kind of crunchy ice. It looks like the snow. And it's not so hard, it's super soft ice. But we can see through. Only during winter.
Unreal. Look at that. Go ice. Hello.
East side and after the north.
Start measuring the melt. Oh, the melt. So they'll put that way up there.
Yeah, and it goes down.
Yeah.
With the
Proper stunning up here.
Yeah, there is a big wall of ice falling down the mountain.
So the Catler Ice Cave that I did the other year was literally the other side of the mountain, just over there. The guide was saying. Mental.
Yeah, it's like I'm going on a foot sliding down.
Some view up here.
No. No, it's wet.
I think it's, I don't have any idea.
So that's the rescue helicopter, the same. Just at the last stop now, solheimajokull. That glacier was unreal, really good. Similar to when I went to Glacier Ice Cave last year. Yeah, very good that. That's pretty cool. This is the one where you can walk behind it in summer. Obviously not now. That's it now for the end of the South Coast tour anyway. So basically the same as what I did last year, but you did Glacier Ice Cave last year and you did the Glacier hike this year, but it was totally worth doing it. It was nice to see the waterfalls again and Black Sand Beach. So as we're doing the Northern Lights tour again tonight with Arctic Adventures, so it's good KP rating, just a bit cloudy, but we've had good weather all week, so I can't really complain. So anyway, and then we're just off to Sky Lagoon tomorrow, and then I'm flying up north to Aquari. So I've not been up that way, so should be good. Some good waterfalls, couple of small baths up that way as well, hot springs. So looking forward to it.